You can learn English grammar in English. After this, my next point is, if you have no interest in English, English is not an interesting language. We think so, but now the time of English has come. English is an international language. We are using mobile phones. We are using Google. We know, we all are aware about it. But if you are using these things, definitely everything is in English. And when we don't know the meaning of any word, when we are not able to understand the meaning of the word, we do Google and find the Hindi word, and then we learn it Hindi word. This is our great mistake. If any word is out of our mind, we know instantly go to Google and search for that word and learn Hindi meaning. You are trying to learn English, but instead of English word, you are learning the Hindi meaning of that word, and this is our great mistake. Okay, if you have no interest in English, so find your interests and do that interest in English. Then automatically your interest will mix in the English. That's the logic. If you have no interest in English, then find your interest and do your interest in the English. Then you will be able to read English, think in English, and then when input in English, then definitely output will be in English. My next point is make yourself strong. This is the very important point, my dear friends. Make yourself emotionally strong. What is the meaning of emotionally strong? Actually, my dear friends, we are emotionally very weak. If any person out of 100 is trying to speak English, every person will stop him. Why? Because he is doing something better, and that's what he is not able to do. So that's why he is pulling your leg. Here I want to share a story with you. I have a story, very famous story, and I think you might have listened before this. There was a well, and in that well, 4 frogs were lived. 4 frogs. One frog was very smart, intelligent, and he was always thinking to grow. He was thinking that this well is not the whole world. This world is not my whole life. I should go out from this well. And whenever he tried to climb on the wall of the well, the rest of the 3 frogs were pulling his legs and tried to pull down again from the well. This is the reality, my dear friend. This is the reality. I also faced this problem, but every person has their problem. If you have the courage, if you have the confidence to cut your problems, then you will able to do anything about the world. But this is not so easy to face the challenges of the society. Society puts hard difficulties, problems, challenges in front of you. And if you are a weak person, weak from where? Weak from within, weak from emotion. Emotion means, you are full of words. I know most of you know most of the English, and you are able to speak, but somewhere your fear stop you. Yes, somewhere your courage give up. Your confidence is not with you. That's why you have no power, no confidence. But you all know that you all have enough English knowledge to speak, to describe, to talk. But what is the problem then? Problem is emotional problem. And from where this problem arises? This problem arises from our friend area. Recognize your friends. Are they supportive or they are pulling you down? First of all, very carefully see this. If your friend circle is supportive, they always support you to do new things, it means they are really a good friend. You know what is the definition of good friend? A friend in need is a friend indeed. Okay, this is the real definition of the friend. A friend in need is a friend indeed. So you have many friends. So are they in this form, or they all are pulling you down? They are helping you in growth, or they are helping you to make you down, to make you lower. So please be emotionally strong. Avoid, I have one more thing to say. Weak people fight. Always think and remember it. Remember my quotation. Weak people always indulge in fight. They love fight. And smart people forgive. Smart people forgive the bad people always. But intelligent people avoid everything. They don't mind single word of the bad people. Now after 4 number, I have other point. What is the other point? Other point is be productive. Be productive. This is the key thing of today. Be productive. What is the meaning of productive? Be productive means you are doing various things in your life. You are reading Hindi, English, math, or etc. etc. You have lots of topics. Are you productive? Productive means you know every single thing, every deep thing, every light thing about your subject, and now you are able to solve every problem related to your topic. If is this so, then you are really productive. Productive means, this is 4G or 5G generations. If you have mobile phones, then you might have seen a message after 10 or 20 days that update this app. You must have got this message by the cell phone that update this Facebook, update this YouTube, update this WhatsApp. What is this update means? Update means what? Update means only increase the MB of the app. No, this is not the meaning of update. Update means add one quality, add 2 or 3 quality from the last position. Update means this. Your last class might be 10th, 9th, 8th or any other class. You are in the new class. Are you updated? If you are really updated, it means you know most of the matter of last class, and now you are inputting new qualities very fast, very sharp. Have a learning attitude. But I think this is not happening in our society. Update yourself daily. Update means learn new things, and not only learn, use new things. If you learn a thing and if you are not using that thing, then automatically after 3 days that thing will remove from your mind. Our mind has unlimited storage. There is no GB available in the market of mind. Unlimited storage. But it can store only that thing which we are using. If we are not using, early human hold a tail and the back side tail. But in present time, you can't see a tail of a human. Why? Why? Because man stopped using his tail. Simple thing, simple logic. If man continually uses his tail. So today in present time we must have a tail, but we have no tail because early human stop using tail. In this society, in this world, if we are not using a quality or thing or any other object, that will automatically decreased or vanished or finished. So be productive. Productive means you are in intermediate or you are in high school or in any class. I don't know, but you must have in a class. So productive means after doing this class, after finishing a subject, which quality you are going to add in your mind. If you are thinking like this way, then you certainly will be a productive person, otherwise you are just wasting a time. And in our society, most of the students doing this. Abdul Kalam said a very famous quote in the society, that we can't change our future, we cannot change our future, but we can change our habits. And simply our habits can change our future. This is a chain. No man can change his future. Even I also can't change my future because I don't know my future. But I know one thing, that is my habit. What I am doing in present time, I know. I am teaching or I am playing or I am reading, I am sleeping, I know. So if I did good thing, then definitely I will receive good thing. So my dear student, don't try to change your future. Try to change only one thing, that is your habit, and your habit definitely change your future. Believe me, I am not saying this. Our missile man of India, our president of India, Abdul Kalam said this. Okay, so he was, very intelligent, respectable, and every good quality he had. So be productive, because productivity is a thing that includes various multiple number of qualities in a person. If I want to become productive, if you want to become productive, if you all want to become productive, it means this is your responsibility. Responsibility. I got this word. Responsibility. What is responsibility? What is responsibility? Do you know? Is this only liability? Zimmedari? No, my dear students. Responsibility is not merely a word. Responsibility is the ability to respond. The ability to respond. Ability means talent. Respond means reaction. I can't control you. I can't control your action. But if you say bad things to me, or if you say good things to me, so I have one thing in my control, and that is my reaction. If you are praising me, if you are appreciating me, so in that situation I will feel very good. But if you are criticizing me, you are doing ill talking about me, then how will I respond? This is my nature will help me to respond. So my dear friends, responsibility, this is your responsibility. This is your ability to respond to the problems, to the questions, to the complications about the society. So cut your fear. In my last class I told you, if you want to become English speaker, or if you want to learn any new things, first of all you have to cut your fear. Your fear of many things. In my last class I told you, if you haven't watched, if you are absent last day, then you can watch my video of last class. Okay, so be productive, and this is our responsibility. Our parents expects many things from us. That's why they are providing every important facility to us. My dear students, India is a populated country, and how many students are getting knowledge? We are enough lucky to getting knowledge. We are going to school, we have enough books to study. So not only read the books, this is a time pass. Don't try to pass your time, try to cash your time, try to use your time. in your school, in your class, in your house, anywhere, if you are reading a point, not read a point, don't study that point, you should feel that point. If once we feel a good thing, if once we understand a good thing, and certainly quickly that good thing apply in your nature, implement. Some people says that information is power. Information is power. If I know 100 things, then I am a powerful person. But this is not the reality, my dear brothers and sisters. Information is power, really. But use of information is bigger power than holding a knowledge. If I am ill, if I am suffering from fever or any other disease, and I just go to the doctor and consult about my disease and ask the doctor, Sahab, please give me the medicure, the tablets, the proper medicine to recover my disease, and doctor definitely will give me. And I just take the medicine and put the medicine in my pocket. Now tell me, my dear brothers and sisters, only putting tablets in my pocket, I will recover? Never. Until I eat the tablet, I will never recover. So if we want to recover in any, you all are not ill. We just want only one thing, and that thing is to speak English. So what should our duty? Our duty is not only read English, not only write English, but also speak. But also speak. Now, after this advice, you have again a question. Sir, where will I speak English? Because I have no English society. My friends, they speak Hindi. My parents, they speak Hindi. My brother and sisters. So, yes, this is a big question. That's why in our society to learn English is a big challenge. So, toughest battles come to the toughest warriors. Toughest, bigger problem comes to the big person. If you are facing big problem, if you are facing big challenge, it means you have the ability to become a big person, a great person. So don't afraid of to take the big challenges. I have also these challenges. And if you want quick results, this is the part of our personality. What is the part of our personality? That we want quick results. Even from today, I start to learn English, and from the next day, I want to become a perfect English speaker. How is this possible? Even a crop, farmer. If today a farmer is sowing the seed of wheat or any other crop, then after 3 months, 4 months, that crop will be prepared or able to use. And we think that this is our first day, and from the second day we will be a Shakespeare in English. Not possible. But if you want quick results, if you want very fast improvisation, then you can do one thing. I told you just before a few minutes, we can't change our future, but we can change our habits, and our habits can change our future. So if we want quick results, if we want smart results, so we can do one thing. What one thing? We should practice with more intensity, with more concentration, with more hard work. And not only hard work. There is a new famous word running in the society, and that is smart work. Hard worker is, gone away, and today is the age of smart work.